How do I eliminate Canadian thistle? Martin from Edison, New Jersey. He says, even with digging and spraying, it still comes back, Kyle. So what do you think about that? Canadian thistle is tough.
It is very tough to get rid of. I think a lot of diligence. You just have to stay on it, both with digging and spraying. I think you can do a glove method where you put a glove on and dip your hand into whatever chemical and wipe the plant down instead of spraying. But it is very tough to get rid of.
I think it has that long tap root that goes down into the ground, and so you pull it and you leave a piece behind, and lo and behold, what happens? It comes back. Yeah,
that's pretty much how it's going to reproduce. By the root fragments, seeds. Of course, it's a perennial weed. You see it out when pastures, road ditches, and things like that. It can be definitely tough.
The problem is, it's not fun to pull either.
No, because it has the little spines on the leaves, right? It has the spines on the leaves. So yeah, you have to be diligent, Martin. Yeah, I would keep cutting it back. Don't let it go, set seed. So I would cut it back, mow it, probably maybe use a herbicide, something glyphosate, triclopyr, something like that. Read and follow the label. It may help slow it down.